Good morning, everybody. This is Rick with Royce Industries here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We have a lot of customers come to us about flat work. They want to know how to clean concrete properly, and I'm going to show you a great way. This chemical here is called L-995. It's made by Landa, and that's what we prefer to use. It's a powder-based concrete cleaner, and I'm going to show you how to use it right now. So the first thing you do, if you come a little bit closer there, Jay, is we want to get our concrete wet. So I'm going to turn on the pressure washer here, and I'm not flooding the concrete. I just want to get it a little bit wet like so. That's really all you need, okay? Just get it just a little bit wet. Then you're going to come over here to your 995. You can see a little sample of it. It's kind of orange colored, has a nice smell to it. And then you're just going to sprinkle it around like this. You're not going to use the whole bucket. This will go a long way. Okay, once you've applied some of the chemical, you want to spread it around. So you get a standard shop broom. You're not scrubbing. All you're doing is moving the chemical around. You just want to spread it to make sure that the chemical gets everywhere. Now, if you'll notice, the chemical is turning green. That means it's active. It's activated. That's what you want. So, what you need to do now is let it sit and work for about 2 to 3 minutes. So while that's happening, I'm going to hook up the surface cleaner. We're going to come back and show you how to clean it. Okay, we're back. Got the surface cleaner hooked up. This is a 21-inch surface cleaner, and this is the way to clean flat work. If you're doing any kind of cement work at all, you need one of these. It's a surface cleaner, and we've let the L995 rest a little bit. We're going to fire this up and clean this concrete. Come on over here, Jason. Always make sure you use your proper PPE. Don't get your eye lost or cut your hand or something. So you're going to fire this. That's all you do. Now, I'm going to let this dry for about 10 minutes. Imagine how long that would have taken just using a pressure washer gun, and it would have looked sloppy. This is nice and uniform. So I'm going to let this dry for about 10 minutes. I'm going to show you what this pad looks like after. So we'll be right back. So it's drying right now. I didn't really show you a before of this pad. So what I'm going to do is show you the next pad for our other bay entrance. And you can see this is how the other one would have looked. Gets about the same amount of use and wear, so you can see how nasty that is in my shadow. So this is drying. I'm going to let it dry for about another 10 minutes or so, and then I'll show you the nice clean pad, how it looks after using L995 with a surface cleaner. Okay, so the pad is just about completely dry now, and you can see a remarkable difference versus the other one. And this is how the finished product looks. This product, again, is called L995. It's made by Landa. We have it here at Royce Industries in Las Vegas.